Every great piece of furniture begins as an idea, sketched, shaped, and perfected in design software. But bringing that idea to life with precision, speed, and repeatability, that's where innovation begins. Meet the Techmeister NWL4400, a 4-axis CNC lathe engineered exclusively for furniture manufacturers. This turns intricate legs with perfect symmetry, mill joints and mortises with absolute accuracy, shape complex contours, and sand every surface to perfection. From concept to production, Techmeister turns custom requirements into repeatable results. Learn more at techmeister.in.